this video, we'll talk about the RealTimedesigner API, or Application Programming Interface. This is a very powerful module that is virtually invisible inside the RealTimedesigner. Instead, it's used outside the RealTimedesigner by other programs and applications to get data from the RealTimedesigner. From the RealTimedesigner Support Network, click on the Docs tab to access the API reference. The API information is here on the right. The function reference of the API describes in great detail each of the functions for the actions available in the API. Using the API, you can query the RealTimedesigner database and get product, user, and order data and pass that back to the application or web page that called the API. As well as the functions, we have some sample API code and a detailed explanation of the first API module, the live pricing link. The live pricing link uses the API to query the RealTimedesigner for live product pricing and shipping quotes. This allows customers to see a price before they create their design. Let's see how this works. Here we are now on a client's web page. He's placed a button on that page that is linked to the live pricing API. When you click on that button, a window pops up containing a price calculator. If you've been taking care of websites for a while, I'm sure you have an appreciation of having to change multiple pages when one little piece of information changes. The live pricing link will immediately show any pricing changes that you make inside the RealTimedesigner. Some of the applications that we use the API with are Magento, Volusion, QuickBooks, and the Joomla Content Management System. But the API works just the same with any application or programming environment that supports APIs. The RealTimedesigner staff is available to assist you or your programmers with the API, and we are available on a contract basis for developing custom applications. Thanks for taking this time to learn about the RealTimedesigner API.